Hello and welcome to XSE Scripting with Nikos. In the last part we created a script where we explained how color tags work, and we also showed how to use flags. We did that simply with this character here. In this part though, we're going to expand on that and make her move. So what I need to quickly do is get a new flag, offset. So let's copy that. Let's just replace you. I do this each time a major edit is done, and it also lets you understand what needs to be done. So we're gonna just keep this bit here, but let's do a apply movement. This will allow us to move character apply. Okay, I need to keep checking on the scripts just to double check. So first of all we want to do 0x, then the ID of the person to use. So let's open advanced map and we'll look at the ID. Okay, so this is a person. This is not the ID. This person is number 2. So what we're going to do is 0x2. Then you want to do the pointer. With the pointer I use at, because there's only one person, I'm just going to use move 1. At move 1. Okay. All with stuff as a pointer which is separate, I do it in order. Like at 1 first, then at 2, then it'll be org at move 1. Then if there's a string after, we'll do that. But before we actually write the move script, we want to use wait movement 0x0. So this will have the after they move, there'll be a wait thing, so you can't move while they're moving, stuff like that. So let's look at making someone simply step left. There is a huge amount of code for this, but it's fairly simple to understand. I'm actually just trying to find the layout it needs to be in. Okay. So we want them to move left, then turn right. So what we're going to do is step left normal. In this case it's going to be hashtag vor. This is going to be at the start of every move. Then 0x, then the number for the movement. This is step left, open brackets, normal, close brackets, normal. There are many on there. I'm going to leave a link to a document in the description below so you can look at this yourself and understand. So that's step left. Then we want, while they're step left, they'll look towards the left. So now we want them to face right, because you can't have a face diagonal towards the player, so you want them to face closest to the player as possible. The best way to do this is like face right, because they'll be walking in and so on. So what we're going to do is /var 0x3. This is face right. So we've got them like to move. Now we need to end off the script. The move script. That's simple /var 0xfe. Fe is going to be used at the end of all of them. So keep that in mind. This should be a really basic thing you need to do. And then we're just going to use another message box at 30x6 org at 3 equals blue underscore fr. So please enjoy your time at the Safari zone. Actually, I think that should be fine as it is. Okay, so now we have the whole script, but once again, that will just keep on running unless we do a flag. So let's just quickly do check flag 0x201 if 0x1 go to at done, then org at done message box at 40x6 release end. Now we need to set the flag for the message box and that they've moved, so set flag 0x201. So let's actually mark this on the seasons pad. There we go. Quickly write up the code equals blue fr. Enjoy the Safari zone. Okay, so we have that script done now. So let's click compile. Just copy that. Let's paste. So now we have that sorted, but she's going to appear in that spot every time we enter this screen. So let's say we want her to disappear once you've moved off the screen. What you want to do is put in the flag here. So person ID 201. So once that flag has been, if the flag returns true, that person won't be there. But that's only after you've left the screen itself. So let's do save. Let's run. Let's run downstairs. Okay. Sorry, you cannot enter at this time. Sorry for the wait. The Safari zone is now open. She's moved. Please enjoy your time at the Safari zone. Enjoy the Safari zone. Now if we walk in and we walk out, she's no longer there. Also, I'll show that the flag works. There is the cascade badge. So that's covered the basics of apply movement. We'll be looking at that in a lot more detail later on, because apply movement is going to apply to a lot of stuff. We'll also just discuss how to do message box like this, and message boxes which allow you to only speak one way, not all the directions, or just above and below. So also ignore the fact that the borders are completely out of whack and that this is completely off. Anyway, thank you all for watching. In the next part, we'll be looking at all this in a lot more detail. So we're going to introduce our rival to the player who's already received their Pokemon. So we're going to use this area of the map here. It's going to cover the scripts area. So, until then, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Please like this video. Until next time, goodbye.